Hey guys, so in last video we got the brand new top on this Miata. Off camera we went ahead and we bought some brand new seats. Well, they're not brand new, they're used, but good condition interior seats. Shift knob, center console, so that the under dash plate, so the interior is pretty much done. Now what we're working on in this video here is the radiator. Our old radiator, both mounts are cracked and it moves freely. So we have a new one over here and we're going to install that today. Okay guys, we got the radiator drained and we got this hose off, which was a bit of a struggle.
And the overflow tank?
Got that disconnected. Just got to disconnect these electrical connections around the radiator. And then I'm pretty sure it should just pull right out. Okay guys, we got the new radiator in. Alright, restart it. Okay guys, we got the new radiator in. We're now going to put the second fan in. Maybe you should have done that when it was off the car, but it's right here.
Probably not.
Got to fill it up with coolant, make sure it's not leaking. But we're pretty much done at this point. Almost done. Almost there.
Alright, so it's going down.
Yeah, I thought it would. Let's just keep adding to it.
Alright, go very slow.